Thank you very much, my dear students. Hopefully seeing all of you are very happy. I am also much happy. I think, my dear students, having Eid, all of you are very joyful mood. I am also same. And I think, my dear students, today all of you will be much attentive to my class, as today class is very important class that's based on English second paper. And today I will teach you, my dear students, the topic name completing sentence. As you know, my dear students, what is completing sentence? Also, I have informed it few days ago, previous two class on completing sentence. Today class number 3 on completing sentence. Completing sentence means joining sentence. Completing sentence means connecting sentence. You will find in your question paper in the exam half part, and next half you have to complete by your own words. Okay, let's see, my dear students, some rules on completing sentence. One, no sooner had then. The students, you can see here I have written no sooner had then. No sooner had one conjunction, another conjunction, then. So you have to complete it by using these words. Now, dear students, you have to remember no sooner had after plus subject plus verb 3 plus extension and then plus subject plus verb 2 plus extension. You can see, dear students, here also have written structure no sooner had plus subject plus B3 plus extension, then plus subject plus V2 plus extension. Let's write the example. No sooner had I seen my friend then he came to me for meeting. No sooner had I seen my friend then he came to me for meeting. Let's see another example. So, number 2, hardly had when or before. The same plus subject plus verb 3 plus extension, then plus subject plus verb 2 plus extension. Dear students, we learned from these two rules. When you will find in the question no sooner had, then you have to join it by using then. This then means conjunction. That means conjunction. Then hardly had, subject plus verb plus extension, same rules. And when or before. Dear students, you have to remember, when you will find hardly had, then you have to join when or before. Similarly, when you find instead of hardly, scarcely, same rules. You have to produce same rule. Okay? Hardly had I enjoyed the match when it rained. You can see, dear students, an example, hardly had I enjoyed the match when it rained. Okay? Now let's see another example. Number 3. Cannot help could not help plus verb ing plus extension. Now dear students, when you find the sentence cannot help or could not help, then you have to verb ing. We can't help missing my friend. We can't help missing my friend. Number 4. Must have to has to plus 1 plus extension. You can see, dear students, question number 4. When you find in the question must, had to, have to, has to, V1 plus extension, this structure will be produced. Shirin had to learn computer to get a job. Shirin had to learn computer to get a job. Now let's see question number 5, that means rule number 5. Had plus subject plus verb 3 plus extension subject plus would have plus verb 3 plus extension. The students, you can see question number 5, head plus subject plus verb 3 plus extension. Next part, subject plus would have verb 3 plus extension. The students, I want to mean here this structure. When you find head plus subject plus verb 3 plus extension, the next part will be subject plus would have or could have or might have plus verb 3 plus extension. Okay. Had I been a computer expert, comma, I would have earned much money. Had I been a computer expert, I would have earned much money. So, dear students, already we have completed 5 rules on completing sentences. Also, in the previous class, we have completed some rules on completing sentence. Dear students, I think from learning today class, you will be much benefited, and I think if you practice these rules at your home, as the whole country is going on lockdown, so I think you must enjoy the class online, and you must go to online program. If you have any complaint, if you have any comment, so go to our online address, dear students, and I will say this, my dear students, and hopefully seeing that after a few days our government may open our school, then we will take our offline class. And I think, my dear students, all of you are now very unexpected passing your life, so you have no need to go out if you have any urgent work. And the students, you have to remember, you should put on mask if you need going out for any emergency work. Thank you very much, my dear students, and see you next class.